Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss for loop in Python. The for loop of Python is designed to process the items of any sequence such as list, tuple or string one by one. So let's see here with a practical example. First of all, I am going to describe the syntax of the for loop. Just write here the for and then variable, and right here in and sequence. The sequence may be list, tuple or string, and just write here the statements to repeat. Okay, so this is the syntax of for loop. Write here the syntax, and the loop pick up the value from the sequence and assign in the variable, and next use this variable value inside the for loop or for body. Now I'm just going to take a simple example of the sequence. Just comment it. This is the syntax, so just comment it and write here for, and I is the variable, and then in. Write here a list and just type 2, 5, whatever you value, 7, 9, and suppose that 100. Okay, this is the value, and then colon. First of all, this loop pick up the two value and assign into the I variable, and just print this value inside the loop. Right here I, and save it and run it. Okay, the output is 2, 5, 7, 9 and 100. Because first of all, the loop pick up the value from the list 2 and assign the variable I, and inside the body of the for loop I will be printed here with the help of print function. And now first of all, print the value 2, and the second time pick up the 5 value inside the I variable, and print with the help of print function, print the value of I, and the value of I is 5, and then 79, and then 100. One by one pick up the value from the list and assign the I variable, and the loop body with the help of print function print the value of I one by one. This is the example of list. You can take the value as a tuple, as a sequence. Just change the symbol here and run this program. Okay, 2, 7, 2, 5, 7, 9 and 100. Okay, you can also declare the tuple here, t equals, cut this value and paste here. Okay, and just pass the t here. T is the sequence, name of the tuple, and pick up the value as it is previous and assign the value in I, and print the value of I with the help of print function. Just run this program. Okay, 2, 5, 7, 9 and 100. I think you will understand the for loop in Python, and thanks for watching my video. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.